Touch letter B. B is for ball. Touch letter H. H is for horse. Touch letter L. L is for lamp. Touch letter E. E is for egg. Good job! Touch letter S. S is for sheep. S. Touch letter N. N is for net. Touch letter C. C is for cat. Peekaboo! 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 Touch letter O. O is for orange. Touch letter D. D is for dog. Touch letter X. X is for xylophone. Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me? Touch letter W. W is for whistle. Touch letter F. F is for frog. Touch letter Y. Touch letter. P. P is for parrot. Touch letter. M. M is for mouse. Touch letter. V. V is for violin. A sticker. Touch letter. I. I is for ice cream. Touch letter. U. U is for umbrella. Touch letter. G. G is for grapes. Let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Touch letter. A is for ant. Touch letter. P. P is for parrot. Touch letter. D. D is for drum.